With COVID-19 pandemic slowly easing up, it is about time that we shift our goal on how we can live longer, healthier, and happier. We know that eating right is key to all, but we know it can also be a tough process. And for some, it can be an exciting journey in trying to do what's right and what's best, specifically for our health. Today, I thought of switching gears and talk about health issues, specifically on these small but terribly beneficial seeds. You may have heard of them, and you may have never tried to use them because you have no firm idea and how they can benefit you. I'm talking about the smart and the wonderful chia seeds. Whether we are diabetics or hypertensives, or you just want to be a healthier you, let's talk about chia seeds taken as a supplement as part of your healthy meal plan. Let's have it. You may think of chia seeds, just small seeds that don't look edible. They don't even look nutritious at all. And worst, they don't look slightly delightful to eat. But these seeds are simply packed. They have been shown to have multiple health benefits that do wonders for our body. In this talk, let me convince you that taking chia seeds can help wonders in your health. Do you know that one serving of these small seeds, equivalent to 28 grams or 2.5 tablespoons, can provide your daily nutrition with 10 grams of fiber? Or that's equivalent to around 39% of the recommended daily allowance of fiber. And we know that fiber for our daily consumption is very important because fiber adds bulk to our food and thereby prevent any gastrointestinal problems like constipation and can help us have a healthy gut. The seeds, once eaten, actually tend to absorb water, causing them to expand in your stomach and therefore increases your feeling of fullness and satiety. So by letting you feel fuller, therefore, despite eating less, chia seeds can help you maintain a healthy weight, and therefore I use it as a tool to help keep my patients' weight stable. We all know that chia seeds are also heart healthy. Studies have shown that intake of chia seeds can increase the amount of HDL or the good cholesterol and also reduce the LDL or the bad cholesterol. So when you look at your executive panel, always look at the LDL and the HDL cholesterol because specifically a high LDL cholesterol can also be harmful because they are responsible for the dreaded complications like stroke and heart attack. I therefore recommend chia seeds to be used as a meal supplement and a good addition to the diet for those who want to lower their LDL cholesterol or raise their HDL cholesterol. What's also important that these seeds also contain sufficient amount of the so-called polyunsaturated fatty acids. These polyunsaturated fatty acids have been shown to mitigate the risk of heart attacks and their associated risk factors. Therefore, any product that contains high monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids can therefore be beneficial to your heart. In this regard, the high polyunsaturated fatty acid present in chia seeds can therefore make these seeds a good addition to a heart healthy diet. So when I treat my diabetic patients, what I also found very interesting when I incorporate chia seeds in their diet is a study showing that chia seeds can actually slow down how quickly the body releases glucose. Therefore, intake of these chia seeds have been shown to help reduce the spike in blood glucose or blood sugar that comes along with eating carbohydrates. This is what we call as postprandial surge or after eating surge of glucose, which has been shown to be harmful to the blood vessels as they may accelerate heart disease. This could therefore prove useful to people with type 2 diabetes, as chia seeds can aid us in managing blood sugar levels without necessarily resorting to more medications. Now, furthermore, as an endocrinologist, I also care about my patients' bone health and try to help these patients avoid the perils of osteoporosis, which results in fractures. Surprisingly, these small but packed chia seeds have also several nutrients that are vital for bone health, including magnesium and phosphorus. In fact, studies have shown that a single ounce of seeds contains 18% of your daily recommended allowance of calcium. Mind you, this is very important for healthy bone, muscle, and nerve function. And when you compare gram for gram, this is a pearl. Chia seeds have more calcium than dairy products. I always ask my patients to incorporate chia seeds to the diet by easily adding them to a variety of foods such as cereals, yogurt smoothies, and as toppings on salads. My friends also recommend that they use chia seeds as a substitute for eggs in baked goods such as muffins and cookies, and therefore it can be very helpful for people with egg allergies or those with egg intolerances or on vegan diet. There are, however, a few rare cautions that I usually give when recommending chia seeds. Remember not to eat chia seeds by themselves, as they can quickly swell after absorbing liquid. It is therefore best that when you eat chia seeds that have already been soaked in a liquid or are served with a moist food, such as oatmeal or yogurt, and be there for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Likewise, people who has dysphagia or difficulty in swallowing or other digestive issues should eat chia seeds with care. I hope this simple tip in helping you live a healthy life is pretty useful and simple. Keep in mind, chia seeds are very easy to find and very helpful for your health. Keep safe and stay safe always. This is Dr. Jerry Tan. See you again soon.